Once, a Gautama Buddha said, "Don't waste your time on revenge. Those who hurt you will eventually face their own karma." Now let's begin our journey. Karma is a word that echoes through the corridors of time and spirituality, holding profound implications in Buddhism. It's not merely a concept, but a universal principle that governs our lives. Let's delve into understanding what karma really means and how it influences each of us daily. At its core, karma is about actions and consequences. Every word we utter, every decision we make, and even every thought we harbor sets off a chain of cause and effect. Just as a stone thrown into a pond creates ripples, so too do our actions send ripples through the fabric of our lives and the lives of others. Types of karma. In Buddhism, karma is often thought of in three distinct categories: thoughts, words, and deeds. Each type is significant and has the power to shape our future. Number 1. Thought. Karma. Every thought we hold is like planting a seed in the garden of our mind. Positive thoughts can bloom into flowers of joy and tranquility, while negative thoughts can grow into weeds of sorrow and turmoil. Number 2. Word karma. Words have the power to heal or hurt. A kind word can lift someone's spirits, while a harsh word can bring them down. Every word we speak reverberates and returns to us in unexpected ways. Number 3. Deed karma. Our actions, from helping a neighbor to neglecting a responsibility, directly shape the world around us. Each action we take is a brushstroke in the painting of our lives. To illustrate the concept of karma, let's consider a story from ancient Buddhist texts. There was once a young man who spoke harshly to everyone he met. One day, he insulted a wise old monk. Unlike others, the monk simply smiled and said, "My dear boy, every word you utter determines your future happiness or sorrow. Choose your words as if they were the last you might speak." The young man pondered the monk's words and realized that his unpleasant encounters were often a result of his own harsh words. He decided to change, gradually transforming his speech, thoughts, and actions. As he did so, he noticed his life changing for the better. People responded to him with kindness, and opportunities began to open up where once there were none. This story encapsulates the essence of karma. It's not a system of punishment or reward, but a reflection of our inner self in the outer world. By understanding the impact of our actions, we can begin to sculpt a life of harmony and happiness. Understanding karma empowers us to take control of our lives. It teaches us that by changing our actions, our thoughts, words, and deeds, we can change our destiny. If this story of wisdom has resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into a life of peace and purpose. Your engagement helps us bring more such wisdom to light. In our journey through the profound concept of karma, we now turn our focus to its consequences. Understanding the ripple effects of our actions provides a deeper insight into how our present behavior shapes our future realities. Immediate versus long-term karma. Karma works in mysterious ways. Some results are immediate, like the echo of a voice in a canyon, while others unfold over years or even lifetimes, much like a seed slowly growing into a towering tree. Consider a simple act of kindness, such as giving food to someone in need. The immediate consequence might be a smile and a heartfelt "thank you," but the long-term effects can extend far beyond that moment, fostering a cycle of generosity that spreads through communities. Similarly, negative actions can have quick repercussions, such as the instant regret and isolation felt after saying something hurtful. However, the longer-term consequences might manifest as persistent difficulties in relationships or personal growth, often not immediately apparent, but deeply influential over time. Impact on life circumstances. Karma does not just influence our interactions, it shapes our life circumstances in various realms: health, relationships, and opportunities. Health might be influenced by our habits and choices, echoing the Buddhist teaching that the mind and body are interconnected. For instance, continuously harboring anger or resentment can lead to stress and physical ailments like high blood pressure and heart disease. In relationships, the principle of karma is vividly apparent. Frequent conflicts or deceit can erode trust, leading to strained relationships, whereas consistent kindness and understanding strengthen bonds, attracting positivity and support from others. Opportunities, too, are a reflection of our past actions. A diligent and honest approach to work and personal endeavors often opens doors to new possibilities, much like nurturing a garden invites a plethora of blooming flowers. Conversely, cutting corners or exploiting others might yield short-term gains, but eventually leads to lost opportunities and reputational damage. Now talk about some real-life example. To bring these concepts to life, let's reflect on the story of a businessman known for his integrity and fairness. His reputation for honest dealings drew many trustworthy partners and loyal customers, which gradually built his business's success. Here, the karma of his ethical conduct created a foundation of lasting prosperity and respect. On the other hand, consider someone who frequently engaged in gossip and slander. Over time, they found themselves increasingly isolated, as friends and colleagues distanced themselves, wary of being the next subject of rumors. This scenario illustrates how negative words can return to us, impacting our social and personal life deeply. In our exploration of karma, we delve into one of the most empowering aspects of Buddhist teaching, the ability to transform our karma. This means that our past does not have to dictate our future. Through mindful actions and thoughts, we can set a new course. Changing our karma. The belief that karma is fixed is a misconception. In truth, karma is continuously evolving with every choice we make. To change our karma, we start by changing our intentions, because our intentions shape our actions. For example, if you decide to cultivate patience instead of irritation in traffic, your entire experience changes. This small shift not only alters your immediate feelings, but also affects how you interact with others for the rest of the day. Adopting positive behaviors such as generosity, kindness, and honesty creates a ripple effect. These qualities lead to positive actions, which then generate positive outcomes. Just as a plant grows from a seed, nurtured by sunlight and water, our karmic seeds grow from the nutrients we provide through our actions. The role of meditation. Meditation is a cornerstone in understanding and transforming karma. It allows us to observe our thoughts and feelings without attachment, giving us the clarity to choose how we react. Through meditation, we can see the arising of anger or jealousy and decide not to act on these emotions, thereby stopping the cycle of negative karma right in its tracks. Regular meditation practice cultivates a state of mindfulness that permeates all aspects of life. This mindfulness ensures that we are present and deliberate with our choices, reducing impulsive decisions that could lead to adverse karmic results. It is through this deep self-awareness that we can begin to untangle the complex web of past actions and steer our lives toward greater harmony and fulfillment. Guidance for daily life. Living a life that generates positive karma does not require monumental changes, but can be achieved through simple daily practices. Here are some actionable tips. Speak kindly. Always think before you speak. Is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? Act with compassion. Consider the feelings of others before you act. Small acts of kindness can have a significant impact. Practice gratitude. Regularly reflect on what you are grateful for. This shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering contentment and peace. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine can transform your life's trajectory, leading to a more peaceful and fulfilling existence. If you've found value in our journey through the profound teachings of karma and its transformation, we invite you to engage further with our content. Please click the like button if this story resonated with you. Share it with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. And don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening episodes. Your support enables us to continue sharing wisdom that can transform lives. Join our community and be part of the journey towards a more mindful and fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.